What's up, folks? On this morning update, another rally yesterday. So we continue the grind up. We are above the open close. So 82 is held on this overnight. It was tested and then popped up. So that's going to be our level to watch. As long as we stay above that, I think that we'll test this 94.5 and then continue up. Who knows, right? So we're just going to continue to travel higher. That 46.30, 25.30 level is really that top, kind of what I'm looking at. And then 36.60 is your fib weekly up here. So that's another target. But that 34.30, yeah, I'd say 25.30. Anyway, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. 65. As long as we're above that, this is sustained in a bull fashion. We get below that and we'll start to test these levels down here. And that's really a 35 to 50. It's kind of, there's a lot of traffic here. But if we lose that 35 level, I think that we start to head back down. We have a lot of singles down. Again, that 87 level is important, 87.90. So we have a lot of lower important numbers. We just aren't seeing them because we continue to squeeze higher, which is whatever. This is what it is today. 74 is your pivot. 46.03. I like the 05, 03.05. So that R1's decent. R2's okay. And then 46.53. 45.53. Interesting. It's a 100-point swing on that. But anyway, 45.24 and 45.03. So these pivots are decent. They've been holding. So keep an eye on that. Here's your really ever since we rolled into September, it was starting, but, all of your volume base is down here. So anyone offsides here is probably going to be out soon. You do have a big volume node back up at that's 36, 46, 75, and then 89. So this up here. So we'll take it. We'll keep an eye on that. But again, 46.60, that's going to be your fib top there. We're above that 27. I don't know. I really don't. Here's your 87. This is what makes this. It's a monthly level. That's why we're watching that one. And then this is a new chart I've got that kind of holds. I don't know. I'm playing with it, but 65 is what I have here for a bounce or a level to drop. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Euro down a short and curly today. We're going to see if that continues. 13 is really that next upside target, or we lose that and start coming back down. But as of now, I do think that dollar index is basing, and I think this is getting toppy. So I would expect a reversal here, if not this week, next week. Cash gap remains 89.72. And then this guy, well, we won't see that guy unless we all die. So I don't know. Do we continue higher? S&P basically unch, right? Down 1. Dow down 6. And NASI up 25. So very neutral. We've got some housing numbers in a minute. It's 8:29 a.m. So I don't know today. Stay frosty. Again, yesterday I thought, we were going to head down, and sure enough, that was a grind right into your face of any shorts. So I'm nervous to go short. I'm nervous to go long. So we'll see what happens today and what transpires. But if you don't see it, don't trade it. And anyway, I'll be in the room.